Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious medium-well steak in a pan. First, pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a great crust. Next, season it generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, let your steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the pan. This helps ensure even cooking. Now, let's get that perfect sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. This creates that beautiful, flavorful brown crust we all love. To reach medium well, you have a couple of options. You can reduce the heat to medium-low and continue cooking, flipping every minute until it's done to your liking. Or, transfer the pan to a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, always rest your steak for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This keeps it juicy. The key to a perfect medium-well steak is checking its internal temperature. It should register between 150 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit when measured with an instant-read thermometer in the thickest part. Once rested, slice your steak against the grain to ensure maximum tenderness. Now, it's ready to be served immediately with your favorite accompaniments. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.